Yo, what's up everybody? Just out here getting my morning jog on, and I couldn't help but to notice this beautiful nature out here, man. Just wanted to show everybody in beautiful Austin, Texas. It's a little cloudy today, but it makes for a much better video. Alright, wish me luck. Let's go. Whew. Nice little stream. Humid down there. Alright everybody, that's it for this video. If you're into hiking, outdoors, travel, any of those kind of things, follow me. Like, subscribe, all that. Y'all know what to do. Peace.